Namaskar. This is Dr. Kalpana Karia from Kenya. We came here last week, that was end of 30th January, for my husband's heart surgery. And we were told by Dr. Sharma, you just go to Ahmedabad because my husband needed a valve replacement, and when he did an angiogram, 2 of the arteries were blocked. We were going to go back to Kenya that weekend, but he says, no, nothing doing, you have to go. And I said, because working in England, qualified in England and working, I was saying, I don't know how the hospital will be, how the treatment will be. But after coming here, the minute my daughter entered, my daughter will also just now speak a little bit about it. She said, Mom, the energy of this hospital is just amazing. She works a lot in energy. She's an energy detector. And straight away on the medical part, even I felt like, and even being yoga teacher and medical, this thing, felt that energy, felt that vibrations, and not only that, the cleanliness in this hospital, the hygiene in this hospital. I worked in so many hospitals throughout the world in 1970s, long time back, but never ever in my lifetime have I seen a hospital like this. My husband is so much better. Today is just the 4th day of the surgery. Yesterday he was out of ICU. Going into ICU in other hospitals, I mean, no complaints, but you just go in, see the patient, come out. But here, they were so strict. We could only see him for a couple of minutes, and that even after the second day. And we had to totally be, masked and slippers and everything. The whole gear had to be worn, the hygiene gear, in order to see the patient even and not touch the patient. A very high level of hygiene, which I have not seen anywhere. And I really, my husband's, he's really improving so much in the 4th day. Already we see great improvements because of the staff, amazing friendly staff, because of the hygiene level, amazing hygiene level, because of the food, the dietitian came and spoke to her, whatever we told her should, bring. So all the level, I would say. And here Dr. Jain, has done, Dr. Anil Jain, he's intricately taken. The other day I was sitting outside waiting for the ICU, and I saw him going inside, picking up the bags from the floor and bringing them outside. He's the owner, who would do it, But the level he was undergoing and doing all this, I mean, it's just remarkable and transformative. And for this new age, I think the youngsters should understand. Other hospitals should take an example from this hospital. The minute you enter and say, oh, are we going to a 5-star or a 7-star hotel? It's like a 7-star hotel. It's amazing. And I really thank Dr. Sharma for recommending this hospital to us, recommending Dr. Anil Jain to us, and of course, all the Epic Hospital. It is like, just the name says, the Epic Hospital, Ahmedabad, right? It is an epic of the whole universe, I would say. So please, it is a transformation hospital. Epic Hospital is just wonderful, wonderful and wonderful. And I would recommend it blindfoldedly to anyone. My husband's also so much better. Thank you very much, and I thank all the staff, everyone in this hospital, from the bellboy to the doctors, everybody, for the whole team. Thank you so much for the wonderful treatment and wonderful hospital. Thank you.